I'm going to show you how to clean these ear molds. So come on over and take a look. These are some that just came in. These vent holes are plugged, and so what can happen is this can make it sound kind of hollow or boxy to the patient. So what I'm going to do first is just wipe these down. You can just use a piece of Kleenex to do that. You don't want to use an alcohol wipe because they will make the plastic kind of brittle. But I'm going to take just a piece of like fishing line, and I'm going to push this through the back side of the vent, and I'm going to push this out so that earwax comes out. So that's going to get that vent opened up. And then the other thing we can do is these little filters, we're going to change out. This is actually an older filter, but we've got a new style here. They come in a little click case like this, and they're called Quickguards. But what you do is on the top end of this, it's got a little barb. So I'm going to push it in, and it'll pull out that old filter, and I'm just going to flip it over and push in the new one. And then once that's in, I'm just going to kind of push down on it to make sure it's seated in there. Every now and again they'll be a little bit off and won't stay in there. That's a quick and easy way to clean those ear molds, keep those vents open, and keep them sounding as good as possible. Thanks.